In this video, we're going to go over how you can track student progress and activity within the Educate platform. So in our other tutorials, we've talked about how to manage the content within a class for your students. So to do that, you can simply click on your classes and follow the steps in those videos to assign or unassign content as it relates to the Manage Course outline. And here's just a quick example of what that looks like. As you can see, we have the course and all of the materials that are available within that course. Some of those materials we may or may not want students to have access to yet, so we can simply click or unclick that content. So as we do that, we're essentially assigning content to our students. And through that process, we're able to determine what our students working on. Because if we've assigned it or made it available to them, students are going to be able to access it and complete it. So if we uncheck those items, we can further control whether students are able to access it within the class. If you have a self-paced classroom, you probably want to leave all of the content within that class available to your students. So that's just one simple way that you can manage student progress in a course, is by assigning or unassigning content by showing it within the course to the student. The second way that we can take a look at course progress and activity is via dashboard. So on your dashboard, you're going to see the recent activities as it relates to all the students in all of your classes. So you'll see some different activities here, but to view all of the activities, you can click See All. So as you can see, we have some recent activities. It'll list the student's username, the activity that they completed, or the different activity that they completed within the platform as it relates to content, quizzes, and so forth. You can search by student name and filter by class as well. We can also see if students have submitted assignments and quizzes within the platform. We can access that information by clicking on Assignments and Quiz to review all the reports and submissions as it relates to the different assessments or assignments that we have administered to our classes. And then by viewing those submissions, we're able to see whether students have completed it. So if they've submitted it, that's considered a completed object for that student. So these are just some of the ways that we can view student activities and progress within the Educate platform. Stay tuned for additional updates and developments as it relates to these features. Also, be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn how to maximize your use of the Educate platform and your curriculum.